I've been using the Vanguard Cash Plus account for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll walk you through its key features, benefits, potential risks, and important considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Vanguard Cash Plus account and whether it's the right fit for your financial needs. What's the Vanguard Cash Plus account? The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account designed to offer a secure and flexible solution for managing your funds. It features a bank sweep program that provides FDIC insurance, offering peace of mind for your short-term savings and emergency funds. Key features: 1. FDIC insurance. The account provides FDIC coverage up to $1.25 million for individual accounts and up to $2.5 million for joint accounts through the bank sweep program. 2. Low-risk option. You can use the bank sweep as a low-risk place to park your cash for immediate needs or emergencies. 3. No minimum balance. You can enjoy the flexibility of no minimum balance requirements. 4. Competitive APY. You can earn a competitive annual percentage yield, APY, to help your money grow over time. 5. Optional money market funds. You can keep your money in the bank sweep or invest in any of the 5 available Vanguard money market funds, each with a $3,000 minimum investment. Other benefits: ease of use. It can perform transactions easily online with Vanguard's user-friendly platform. Comprehensive financial view. You can manage your cash and investments holistically in one place. Future access. You can gain access to upcoming features and improvements as they are rolled out. Pros: high FDIC coverage, flexible options, no fees or minimums, integration with Vanguard investments, secure and low risk. Cons: no physical banking, limited APY, money market minimums, fewer everyday banking features. How to get started. To open a Vanguard Cash Plus account, you'll need to provide basic personal information, including banking details, account objectives, employment status, information for any joint account owners, if applicable. Things to keep in mind: the bank sweep program ensures your cash is FDIC insured, offering protection for your deposits. The account is best suited for those looking for a secure, low-risk place to hold funds with easy access when needed. You have the flexibility to combine it with money market funds for potential higher returns. As always, consider consulting a financial expert before making any decisions to ensure the account aligns with your financial goals.